Hotels.com app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, just go down, click here on account down here. We just click here on account. It's going to take you to next step. So it's going to take you to this list. Click here on profile here. When you click here on profile, you come to next step here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on edit. When you click on edit, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do now, just come here to view and you click on it here. So then here in this list you add about you here. So when you're done, just go down, click here on save. Then it's going to save with you here about you on your hotels.com app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.